Jocelyn. I am a visual and digital artist that works out of Winnipeg, Manitoba. If anyone's not familiar with what a digital and visual artist is, that basically entails working with fine art media like watercolor, oil paint, acrylic paint, as well as being comfortable with working with digital softwares or programs like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Animate, Fresco in order to create original artwork. I'm also a small business owner. You can check out my shop Come to Fruition on Etsy. And my shop basically is an amalgamation of original artwork, fine art reproductions of my original artwork, as well as custom artwork or commissioned artwork based on orders that people would like personalized. So my intent with this channel is to engage with fellow creators and explore different avenues where you could possibly earn income from your artwork. I also want to be able to show the creative process from finding resource images, drafting, sketching, sort of those preliminary drawings, up into the point where you start editing and where you can create a final product or something that maybe is marketable or that's sellable. So I also want to be transparent that art is my profession, but it is not what I seek out as my full-time income. But my full-time priority is actually to my family and my children. I've got 3 beautiful boys, a 2-year-old, a 7-year-old, and an 11-year-old. So typically what I use my artwork for is for self-engagement. It's to make sure that I am continuing to improve my skill set in my profession, even though I'm not actively employed in my profession at the moment. So I'm hoping to feature on my channel some time-lapse videos to show you guys what the creative process looks like for art creation, as well as art editing, as well as what it would look like to put your artwork up on a retail space like Etsy. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if you would like to know a little bit more in depth about specific processes, I'm totally open. You guys can ask me anything. Just put it in the comment section and I'll try to make videos tailored towards some of the requests that you guys have. Because I know Etsy is sometimes a complicated space. People are, we've got questions about what the fee structure looks like and what it actually costs to put posts up on a website like that. So feel free to ask me any questions that you guys have, and I'll try to answer to the best of my knowledge. So I should also let you guys know that I'm filming my intro video literally locked up in my bedroom because I do, as I previously mentioned, I have a 2-year-old little boy. So I also want to make it entirely clear that there is going to be times where you're definitely going to hear my little guy in the background. You're going to see my little guy. We've got a 1-year-old puppy as well. So my house is open door policy. You know, the kids and the animals are going to be around. And, I've got myself done up today for the intro video, but it's not likely that you're going to be seeing me on the camera a lot of the times. If you're ready to jump right on in, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will be trying to make a video at least once a week to show the creative process. I'm thinking what we'll start with is showing the preliminary process, showing the physical process of actually painting, and then showing the editorial process, and then showing putting that edited finished product up onto a retail space. Oh my god. Sometimes you gotta just get a little bit weird in the middle of your video because you're tongue-tied and you're not natural at this at all, but that's okay. We'll just work with what we got. So I'm hoping to, what am I hoping to do? My intent with this channel, my priorities, ambitious business targets. Challenge yourself. Maybe I should have stuck to my notes. Happy creating.